Have you been to Baler Aurora? A lot of people are not aware about this place. When people are asked if they are familiar with the place, most of them are ignorant. According to the survey, 67.31% knows Baler Aurora. But if you ask them if they know its tourist spots and activities, 89.29% have answered no. Let's have fun and experience adventure in Baler. The travel time to Baler Aurora is approximately 5 to 8 hours from Manila. You can go there either car or bus. Here are the tourist spots that people should visit. Museo de Baler is located at the Poblacion Baler Aurora. The museum displays different artifacts and paintings about the town's history, photos, and memorabilia of Manuel L. Quezon, the second Philippine president. The house of Manuel L. Quezon is located at the Barangay Cemento, Baler. It was rebuilt in honor of the late Commonwealth President Manuel L. Quezon and his wife Aurora. Baler Catholic Church was built largely of stones and bricks. This was historically famous garrison of the Spanish regime. The present church was built through the initiative of Manuel Quezon's wife, Doña Aurora. Ermita Hill is located at the Barangay Zambali, Baler. The hill has the story about the 7 families who climbed up top of the hill and were saved from the wrath of the tidal wave. There are statues located at the bottom of the hill, symbolizes those who are survived in the tragic disaster. Ermita Hill was originally called Mount Castillo before the tragedy happened. The place became a famous attraction of the tourists who wanted to see the fantastic view of the beaches, namely Sabang, Cemento, and Dimadimalangat Island. Baler is also known for its surfing spot. The beaches here are good for surfing, snorkeling, and diving. The most popular beach in Baler is the Sabang Beach because it has several resorts that offer good accommodations, and it also where international surfing competitions are being held.
Yung Baler kasi, ito ay isang maliit na bayan na may kaugalian ang mga taga-Baler na halos dito ang mga tao rito ay magkakamag-anak. Na kapag sinabing Baler, ang taga-Baler kasi marunong makisama, makipag-friendly, at higit sa lahat, pinahalagahan ito yung likas na yaman.
Ano-ano ang mga pinagmamalaki namin dito sa Baler? Una, sa history, pagdating sa history, dito pinanganak si Manuel Luis Quezon. So, based on our history books, di ba, si Manuel Luis Quezon, siya yung unang Pangulo ng Commonwealth. Pangalawa, ito din ang birthplace ng Philippine surfing. So, nung time ng Apocalypse Now, nung sinyot dito ng 1970s, dito unang nagkaroon ng nagsisurf. Pangatlo, sa sa history pa din, sa buong Pilipinas, at the time ng Spanish colonization sa atin, ay dito huling nagwawagayway ang flag ng Spain. Whereas sa buong Pilipinas, wala ng flag ng Spanish.
Naging capital town ng Aurora ang Baler dahil ito yung birthplace ni Manuel L. Quezon, no, yung dating naging pangulo ng bansa, si Manuel L. Quezon. And at the same time, ito yung itinatag na bayan na kung saan yung mga karatig bayan nung araw ay barangay lang niya, baryo. So kaya ito yung itinatag na capital town. At ito yung Aurora, naging province ito ng Quezon. Sapagkat nung araw, ang kinilalang mga namumuno rito ay mga taga southern part of Quezon. So yung bayan ng Baler, ito yung naiwanan dahil nga maliit, parang isang look. Bagamat ito yung hometown ni Manuel L. Quezon. So as of now, sa ngayon naman, medyo na-develop na siya ngayon, unti. At in fact, maraming napunta rito mga turista.
Here are some other beaches that you should also see. The Cemento Beach and Reef, Digisit, and Limadi Manlangat. There are numerous surfing points in Aurora, but Baler offers most of the accessible surfing areas.
Ang season na magandang mag-surf dito ay nagsisimula siya ng Burr months hanggang March. Then yun talagang pinaka-the best para mag-surf. Then kung sakaling sa maliliit naman, nag-uumpisa siya ng April hanggang August. Ito yung pinaka-maliliit. Itong good din para sa mga beginners. Ang surfing ay nakakatulong sa katawan ng tao dahil para ka din lang nag-gym, na-exercise, na-enjoy yung katawan natin, napapagana natin lahat ng muscles natin.
Another thing that Baler most proud of is their delicacy, because it has a unique taste and no fertilizers added.
Ang una-una po dito sa suman namin na pinagmamalaki, yung rice po niya is tanim sa bundok. Tapos po yung lasa niya kakaiba. Tapos marami pong nagtatanong kung bakit naging ganun ang kulay niya. Kasi po yung bigas niya talaga is kulay violet. Kasi dalawang klase po yung suman namin, isang white at isang violet. Ito pong violet, ang ano po namin dito, ito pong tinatawag namin na organic rice. Kasi nga po siya tinanim sa bundok, tapos wala po siyang mga fertilizer na ginamit. Kaya po ang tawag namin dito organic. Kaya ito po ang aming specialty po dito sa Baler po, sa Aurora.
So what are you waiting for? Visit Baler Aurora now and create wonderful memories and adventures.